Good afternoon, I'm Alan McIlroy from Berthon International here in Leamington, and today we're going to have a look over the far-designed Bavaria Vision 46 from 2017 Epiphany, and she's currently afloat here at our marina in Leamington. Starting on the outside, a really good looking hull, as I say, far design. Top sides are finished in a very subtle light grey, white superstructure and teak lead decks. So it's a very contemporary looking yacht. Fairly plumb in the bow. Nice feature there just on the bow is the headsail furler, which is set below deck, which leads for a very clean deck. And a quick look up the rig there. It's a fractional sloop with in-mast furling. And one particular clever feature of this yacht is that she has a Lewmar Evo winch system fitted with reversing winches, so it effectively enables self-tacking. Stepping aft. I think one of the key words I could use to describe this little yacht is very clever. Swim platform drops down, detachable swim ladder on the edge of it there as well. Some nice mirrored privacy glass also in the saloon. Lewmar flush hatches throughout the deck. Some detail there of the gooseneck and boom. Selden rod kicker. Mast and boom by Selden also. A main sheet on the coach roof. It's a German main sheet system, so both lines lead aft to winches both port and starboard. Just stepping forward. Stainless steel bow roller there just to extend over the bow. Ample chain locker, nice and clean as you can see. Anchor windlass just set nicely below the deck. Let's say teak lead decks and coach roof. And large fixed hatches over the saloon there as well, allowing lots of light. There are also some hull windows as well in the saloon, which again allow light to flood in. Bimini and spray hood. This is one of the best features in the yacht, I think, is the cockpit. Twin wheel and walk through, as you can see, the transom lifting up to allow access to the boarding ladder. That very nice teak and stainless swim ladder that slots neatly into the drop-down swim platform. And teak step. And just in between the seats there you can see there's also a locker which gives access to a large aft lazarette. Twin composite carbon Nautica wheels. So we're on the starboard pedestal, plotter, sailing instrumentation. Quick glimpse there of the Lewmar Evo system, which allows you to reverse one winch and wind with the other. So effectively rendering the headsail self-tacking. Engine controls there just to the side. And detail of stern shower, bilge pump, and the large aft locker that I mentioned as well. So lots of stowage there. Ample room for dinghy and so on. And again, underneath the seats there we have things like gas locker and additional stowage. Port side pedestal, stereo controls, sailing instrumentation, compass. The companionway is offset to starboard, which is really rather clever because it gives you a larger seating area to port. And we're just demonstrating there the electrically lowered cockpit table, which is complete with a sun pad. So that creates a rather large, comfortable sun pad to the port side of the cockpit. Control lines on jammers there coming just onto the port side of the companionway. Companionway slightly offset to starboard. So stepping below. So here we are. As you can see, the saloon is absolutely bathed in light with the overhead hatches, coach roof windows, and there's a number of additional windows in the hull sides also. Teak interior, teak and holly sole, and leather style upholstery throughout in the saloon. The little console table there between the two seats on port side, that does drop, and there are cushions for it to form a bench seat. Now we have the control panel. You can see the two controls there for the Webasto heating and the Fusion stereo. Looking aft, we have a rather nice wraparound galley. Fairly spotless 2-burner stainless stove and oven. And I think it's 172 litres of fridge and freezer. Top loading, as you can see. So ample stowage there. A large stainless sink with mixer tap. And a rather nifty little feature, a little pull-out shelf there with a 220-volt socket at the back, which I presume is to house the coffee maker. Nice stainless fitted Bosch microwave. Now stepping aft, this is a really good cabin. This is port side twin cabin. And because it extends over the centre line of the boat, it creates a really spacious cabin with plenty of room between the berths, hanging stowage. A little bit of access to the engine bay in there also. You managed to slot in a little wine store. Starboard side, aft, we have the day heads. Fitted Korean style work surfaces there and sink. Large separate shower stall with thermostatically controlled shower. Both fore and aft heads are fitted with holding tanks as well. This gives access to a third guest cabin with a queen size double. There you can see the extra cushions, and that's a new bimini there I should add as well, which hasn't been fitted as yet. There's a large deck hatch there to the cockpit also in that cabin. It's quite a nice feature. Electric WCs, both fore and aft. Starboard side of the saloon, so L-shaped seating, bench seating. And again, we have this rather nifty electrically lowered saloon table. And there is a cushion for that as well, which allows the saloon to be converted into another double. Stepping forward into the owner's cabin, we have an ample centerline double berth, detailed with a couple of nice reading lights, hull windows, and a custom mattress as well. Kept nice and bright there with the white T&G finish on the insides of the hull. Overhead hatch, as you would expect, with ocean air blinds, and there are little ocean air Roman blinds on the hull windows as well. Stepping forward into the owner's ensuite, Korean style surfaces, mixer tap, shower, and electric WC. So there we have the saloon again, just another little sweep around. Just a quick peek into the business end of things as well. The yacht is fitted with a Volvo D275, which I think has around 70 hours, so really still in its infancy, and as you can see, a pretty spotless little engine bay there, with good access both sides. Stepping back into the saloon. So there we have it, the Farr-designed Bavaria Vision 46 Epiphany, currently afloat with us here at our marina in Lymington and available for viewing Further details, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.